Hi fourth years, I hope you got on okay with yesterday's video, and I apologise, there was a mistake in one of my calculations which was pointed out to me by a couple of you. So the homework questions that you had, I'm going to go through these in a separate video to notes questions, and depending on how long it takes we'll have more or less notes, trying to match this as closely as possible to what we usually do in the classroom situation as well. Okay, the first question you had was forming simultaneous equations with two pieces of information, and this was question 10 up in Google Classroom. We're told that 44,000 people attended a match in Croke Park and there were 2 ticket prices on the day. So we're going to say let X be the €30 tickets, the number of them, and let Y be the number of €20 tickets. They said that the total number of people who attended was 44,000, and the total receipts, or the total value for the tickets, was 1.2 million. So let's write that out the long way, 1200000. How many people paid the higher price ticket? So they want to know how many people bought €30 tickets, or what is the value of X? Of course, it would be good to find the value of Y as well. We might as well do that. So we're going to use simultaneous equations for this. And you've seen this type when you've done junior cert simultaneous equation questions as well. I refer to this type of word problem as total and total value questions. And in these types of questions, there's always a total number and a total value, and it's usually money, but it can have other values as well, like weight or time or speed, anything that you can apply a value to. And in total and total value questions, the first equation is always that X and Y add up to the total. Why is that? Because if I have 44,000 tickets in total, then that number, 44,000, is split between the people who paid the higher price and the people who paid the lower price. So X and Y must add up to 44,000, and that's my first equation. X plus Y is equal to 44,000. So hopefully everybody would be able to write down that equation. The second piece of information comes from the values, and it's always that the value of X multiplied by X, multiplied by how many I have. So for example, if I had 300 €30 tickets, the amount of money I get from them is 300 times 30. If I had it's 3,000 maybe. If I had 20,000 €20 tickets, the amount of money I get from it is 20,000 by 20. Okay, so the value of X multiplied by X plus the value of Y multiplied by Y will equal my total value. Always, always, always. So my second equation then is going to be, well, what's the value of X? It's 30 multiplied by X. The value of Y is 20 multiplied by Y will give me my total value, 1.2 million. Okay, and it's fairly straightforward to solve these simultaneous equations once we have that information. We want to find the value of X. We weren't asked for the value of Y. So actually, if we cancel Y, then we'll get the value of X straight away. But if you find the value of Y first and sub it back in, you won't be penalised. So if we cancel y, and we'll do that by equation 2 take away 20 times equation 1. You can write it the other way around, it's fine. It's just that I've spotted that I can do this and avoid minus numbers. So equation 2 is 30x plus 20y equal to 1.2 million. Minus 20 times equation 1 minus 20x minus 20y equal to minus 20 times 44,000, 880,000. And I cancel y, giving me 10x equal to 1.2 million minus 880,000, 320,000. So x, the number of higher price tickets, is 32,000. And that's our answer. $32,000 higher priced tickets were sold. And that's it. Okay. So that's the answer to part 1. That's the answer to question 10. And simultaneous equations with 2 unknowns, which we're quite used to. Let's look at question 23 then. This is also a total value question as well, but there's another piece of information, and there's 3 things that we have. So in question 23, it says a school tuck shop sold a small bag of popcorn for €3, a medium bag for €5, and a large bag for €7. You can use S, M, and L as your variables if you like. I just find it is a bit more convenient to use X, Y, and Z because of the fact that they're familiar to us, but it's completely fine to use different letters. So let X be the number of small bags, Y is going to be the number of medium, and Z is going to be the number of large bags. And then straight away, they told me that they sold a total of 15 bags of popcorn. So my total is 15 bags of popcorn, and I have my first equation that X, Y, and Z must add up to 15. They also told me a total value of €77. So I can use my total value to write down my second one. The value of X is 3. €3 for the small bag. The value of Y is 5. €5 for the, gosh, it's expensive popcorn. €5 for the medium bag, and €7 for the large bag. And that will add together to give me my total value. Right, the third equation though is where things become a little bit more complicated. They said that they sold 2 more medium bags than small. So what do I know? Well, if they sold 12 medium bags, they must have sold 10 small bags. The medium bags, they sold more medium bags than they sold small. So I know that my medium bags, my Y, is going to be my small bags, X plus 2. And that actually is the third equation. But I'm going to manipulate it slightly and bring my X over minus X plus Y equal to 2. And that's my third equation from that piece of information. There's no Z. So what am I going to do? Well, what that means is that Z has already been cancelled in one of the equations, and I don't have to do as much work. You can go ahead and cancel x and you'll end up with another equation in y and z, and then you can cancel x again, and that's fine. You'll get the right answer if you do that. But if you're smart about it, you can see that because z is already missing here, if we cancel z from these two, we can just use equation 3 straight away. We don't have to find a fifth equation. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cancel z by doing 7 times equation 1, take away equation 2. So 7 times equation 1 and take away equation 2. And that's going to be the work that I do. So 7 times equation 1, 7x plus 7y plus 7z is equal to 105, I think. Let's check. 15 times 7, 105. Take away equation 2, minus 3x minus 5y minus 7z minus 77. My z's cancel. 4x plus 2y is equal to 105 minus 77, 28. I'll divide across by 2 because I can. 2x plus y is equal to 14. That's my equation 4. Now, I don't need to find an equation 5. I can put equation 3 and equation 4 together. I'll probably change the signs. I'm going to cancel y next. Again, if you do a different variable, that's completely fine as well. So cancel y, and I'll do it with equation 4, take away equation 3. I need to change the signs. And what do I get? Equation 4, 2x plus y equals 14, minus a minus x is plus x, minus y equals minus 2, 3x is equal to 12, and x is equal to 4. Okay, so they sold 4 small bags. 4 small bags of popcorn. Sub into here, or here actually, or even here. We know that y is equal to x plus 2. So y is equal to 6 because they sold 2 more medium bags. And finally, sub into 15. They must all add up to 15. X plus y plus z equal to 15. So 4 plus 6 plus z is equal to 15. Z is equal to 15 minus 10, which is 5. 5 medium bags. And those are our final answers. Six medium bags, 4 small bags, and 5 medium bags, and they add up to 15, which is what we wanted. Okay, and that's the end of the homework. So we're going to move on and do a little bit more in the notes now. So let me know if you have any questions about that. Thank you.